up your regularly scheduled programming for
Beauty.
and Doorables. We're moving on to Series 12.
Let's go.
Woo! Cheers. Clink. All right, Mama, so what are you and Susan doing?
OMG, OMG. We are going to open a new Disney Doorables Pixel Perfect collection.
The Series 12. This is a multi-peak which has 5, 6, or 7 characters.
I came for the wine.
Yes, you did. And the sheet masks.
I did. That was very hydrating.
Yes. Every single time Greg is here, there's some sort of beauty treatment involved.
I look 20 years younger. Don't put any comment in the comments.
Okay, Blanche. All right, so how many doors? 5, 6, or 7? Greg, what's your guess?
I'm hoping 6.
Mom?
Open 7.
Okay, open it up. How many doors do we got?
5.
5. All right, let's get them out. So for everyone's reference, here are all of the characters that you can get in Series 12. And I'm hearing a lot of giggling over here. I don't know what these two are up to, but I think there'll be a yeeting involved.
Are we heated, Glenn?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Ready to eat?
Ready to eat?
Yes.
3, 2.
Eat!
All right, let's start guessing. All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm going to guess Esmeralda, which would be really cool.
Yes, and who is it?
It is not Esmeralda.
She was
There isn't.
very wrong.
It is.
It is
It is
Esmeralda.
Esmeralda. I was
It
correct.
is.
Help
She's
me,
aware.
outcast,
She's
the
aware.
poor and downtrodden. I ask for nothing. Da-da-da-da-da. Susan, who do you think you have?
I think I have Wilden from Onward.
Okay.
I do not, but I have a princess. I have a glittery
Cinderella in a winter
Looks
outfit.
Like it's in winter, and she is a comet.
Very nice. All right. On to the next two. All right, Greg, who do you think you have?
I think I have Chief Benja.
Are you right? Is it Chief Benja?
I think.
Yes, that is Chief Benja. So this is Rhea's dad from Rhea in the Last Dragon.
And that one is a common.
And Mom, who do you think you
And I'm
have?
thinking doorknob because it's very square like a door. And am I correct? I am correct. And he's actually very cute.
It's
He
from
is very
Alice.
from
Oh,
Alice in
that's so
Wonderland.
cute. Honk, honk.
Yep.
All right.
He is also a common.
Yep. We have one more from this specific multi-peak, so we will let them guess. Who do you think it is?
I'm going to guess Bruno from Encanto. Let's see if we don't talk about Bruno. Oh, it is definitely not. Definitely not.
It's Phoebus from Hunchback. He is a common, but we have Esmeralda and Phoebus.
And every time I see Esmeralda, I think of Rachel as a child who had Esmeralda pajamas.
Yes. He's got the hots for her. I don't blame him. All right. What do you think of what we've gotten from Series 12 Pixel Perfect so far?
We have 2 of the Hunchback, which is what Rachel was only
I
after.
love the
this
Hunchback
set.
ones.
And I like that they've got some returning movies and some new movies.
Right, I agree. Especially the Hunchback, because that's one I would not have thought they would have it. It's pretty cool.
I'm so excited they have that. That's such a
Yes.
good movie.
Very excited.
All right. Anything to say to the fans before we end?
Yeet!
OMG, we're done with these.
All right. Bye, everyone.